Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn money by selling free ebook on online without creating an ebook. That's it guys. You can download a specific ebook on any niches. For example, health and fitness or affiliate marketing or YouTube. You can download this free ebook and you can sell it on a website for money. I can assure you have a full resale rights and everything. So this is the best way to make money online in 2020. So if you want to know more about that, just wait until the video ends so I can show the step-by-step tutorials. Before we get to the videos, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channels. I make money making, motivations, life-changing stories, case studies, and awful lots of things. So I have come with lots of future videos. So if you want to learn more about that and to build successful online business, subscribe to my channels. I'm not selling courses are here. I'm making videos when I learn new things about making money online. So with that in mind, yes, we go to the videos. The ebook is the best way to make money online in 2020. So you can sell any ebook for money. You can sell it from even for $5 to $50 to $100. It depends on the ebook. So if you can monetize higher price for the ebook if you are creating the ebook, but if you're downloading the ebook, then you can put minimum as of $5 or £5, and you can sell it throughout the years. So imagine you have upload 20 to 30 ebooks and you're able to sell for about 3 or 4 every single day. Then you make $20 every single day without doing any work. That is a best passive income method. So the website I'm talking about is called IDPLR. Basically, PLR is a private labeling. I don't know the full name, what they call it, but in this website, it's called plr.com, or you can visit this website called IDPLR, or this one, preplrdownload.com. Basically, what you're going to do, you can download free ebook. Okay, PDF is ebook in the PDF format. You can download this ebook for free, and you can resell it for any price you wanted. You have a full reselling rights and everything. This website also offer video downloads, but when you download register for this website, they only give 3 videos for free, and rest of them you have to pay for it. But start with ebook, then everything is getting bigger. So for example, this ebook here, if you come to this website, freeplrdownload.com. So you need to watch this video entirely because I'm going to show you the website where you can sell it for money. So you have to watch clearly and watch it until the end so you can understand the step-by-step tutorials. So this is the front page where you can get these ebooks. You can select the topic you want. So for example, affiliate marketing, clickbank, relationships, product creation, weight loss. So for example, if I click the weight loss, it will take you to the page where you can get these ebooks. For example, pre-PLR newsletter and belly fat free, or this is the volumetric fitness lesson you can learn from fitness class, fitness video vibes, and eat more. So you need to download the best ebook in this collection. So you have to come up with, you need to understand which one you are. Okay, for example, this book, free PLR ebook, 100 weight loss tips. So if I click this one, it will open this page. Okay, and it's contains 30 pages and the 7,710 words, ebook included, e-cover included. These are the things you need. Sales page included, sketch page included, and file size 3.9 megabytes. So if I come down here, it's about other pages. So what you have to do is you have to click download this button. So it will download the zip file in your computers. Once you download completed, what you have to do, you have to unzip the document. So what you have to go to document. This is the file we downloaded. So right click this one and extract all. It will extract the document. So once the extract completed, and this is the file you get, open up, you have to understand this one. This is the PRR license, you have to keep it that one, and this is the weight loss tips, and this is the sale page. That's the e-cover. See the image, you can use it for your, if you are using what's they called click funnel, then you can use these images, but I don't have a click funnel, it's too expensive for me. So this is the ebook. Okay, this is the basic ebook, one of the ebook I downloaded. I already selling one, so this is the way I open here. But this is the weight loss tips. If you open down at here, it will show every single tips that you can follow to lose weight. It's a basic thing. They type these tips on a Word document and they convert it to PDF, and you can allow to sell it. So there are over 100 tips are there. So what you have to do is close to here. You have to come to the website called Gumroad. Gumroad is a website where you can sell ebooks for customers. You can say we sent over 249 million to artists, designers, educators, and writer, and podcast, and more. So this website is working all around the world, so you don't have to worry about that. You can target any people around the world. So what you do, come down here, you have to create an account and come to the section called products. I already have one product I selling for £5, which is the minimum price on the Gumroad. And so because don't sell this ebook for 20 or 15, because even you are selling for £5, when they Gumroad get your commission, you will make your money because you didn't do any work. You just download it and upload it here. So don't charge more money. Just £5 or $5 is a basic price. Is perfect for to sell more ebook rather than selling at nothing at all. So when you come to this section, there's the button called new product. So you need to add a new product. It's asking digital product like a shirt, t-shirt. You can sell shirts, DVD, and book like eBay, but I'm here to sell digital product. So click digital product. Is asking 3 different things like a pre-order. So basically the product is not available, so you can sell pre-order. Like you can make a sales page when the customer pay you, then when your product is ready to release, then you can send to the customer like a free order or membership. But I don't do none of those. I'm doing classic start selling today, the first one. And you need to put the name of the product. So the name of the product basically is 100 weight loss tips. That's the our ebook title, right? Then copy that and put it in the page. Then this is the minimum price you can put here, and click next to customize. It will open in the second page where you can upload images and everything. So this is the name and the description. Here is the best 100 weight loss tips you have to. So something like that. Come up with the description. If you know, because of this video, I keep it simple like that. And the cover image, click this one, because imagine when you unzip the file, you already have the cover image. You don't have to create anything. But if you want, you can use the Canva to create it. But I already have the e-cover, so why do I have to spend more time creating cover? So it's already there. Then I download this one. Okay, see that £5, and this is the cover, and this is the title, and this is the description. So if you come to here, call to action section, you can buy this, pay, or I want this. I already go with buy this. Because when you put pay, that's like a forcing the customer to pay for it. But buy this is the perfect for the button name. And the summary, you don't have to do anything else in detail. I don't do anything. So then this is the way you put your ebook. So upload your ebook. This is from your computer. It will open this page. Again, you have that in your unzipped document. So down, put this one here. Done. Pricing is $5, and variation. And you need to click this one. This is the one of the fantastic tool on Gumroad. When you click this one, this is the minimum price you put for £5 and suggested amount. I just go about £5. But when the customer, if they put customer £6 or £7, they can pay for it, because you have to guess how much you can offer. As a customer, you need to come up with that. But I'm click just minimum is 5 amount and suggest amount £5. Just keep it simple and come to this one. It is not a limited sales or anything like that, and publish. That's it. Your product is published, and if you come this when you publish the product, this page it will open up, and you can this one is to share the link with your social media or blog on YouTube, so you can drive the customer from here. You can copy and paste this code to your WordPress blog. So you can promote this tips on your WordPress and said, okay, you can download the rest of the tips by clicking this button. It will take to this page, so you don't have to worry about SSL certificate on your website or anything. This website do everything for you guys. So there's final everything's done. Save the changes, and if I click my product, I can see if there's a 2 products already there. Okay, so you can see that one product, second one here. So if I open up this one here, so finally guys, this is the basic thing. So you don't have to do anything at all. What basic idea of this video is, you can download this free ebook from these sites. These are the only 2 sites I'm showing you guys, but there's thousands of sites out there. Download this free ebook and upload it on the Gumroad. You can make money every single day. This is the best way to make money online, and this is the best passive income method, and it is the best way to make money online in 2020, because once you set it up, people are going to buy this today, a month later, or a year later. You will make money. But also in Gumroad, there's one another usage of the Gumroad is you don't have to pay any listing fee. For example, if you're selling on eBay or Amazon, you need to pay a listing fee, monthly fee, anything like that. But in Gumroad, basic selling account, you don't need to pay anything at all. Just upload the ebook, and you can when the customer paid, Gumroad gonna take the commission, and you can take rest of them. Thanks guys for watching my videos. If you want to learn more about make money online, anything related to build a successful online business, subscribe to my channels, like my videos, and follow me on my Instagram or other social media. Thanks again for watching my videos.